Kumenze ukuhamba kwezimoto emgwaqeni emkhulu eMbombela kusukela ngehora lesine ekuseni. Kusetshenziswa amaloli ukuvala imigwaqo. Abagibeli basaletengwane nezitolo bezivaliwe.
Bengiya ku-interview eHazyview but ngenza baye strike ngize ngahlangabetana nematima ukuthi ibhasi ithe mayisehlisa ngokose ukuthi ngiwokhe ngihambe ngetinyawo maphara aye angiqoshisa acishe vele angibambe angithathela konke lo nginako so kodwa ngomusa ngibe sengiyakhona kubabalekela.
Safektheke ngenza ema transport ukuthi ekuseni asathi ngoba thina sibe emsebenzini for night shift besebenza ebusuku. Nasifika lekuseni kumele simuke sibona ukuthi konke emgwaqo uvaliwe asikhona ukumuka sibiyele emakhaya.
Amaphoyisa agxeka kakhulu ukuvalwa kwemigwaqo kuboshwa abasolwa abayisishiyagalombili.
Allegations that we have received up to so far is that it is a protest over the fuel price, the hiking fuel price, and mainly the other allegation is that this was done by the taxi operators who were very much dissatisfied with the fuel price. So as a result, they went to the street, and the unfortunate part of it is that they utilized the trucks. The allegation is that they forced the truck drivers to blockade the road with those trucks and took the keys and left those trucks on the road.
Amaphoyisa sasiqaphile isimo.